How to turn on notifications on Bank of America app. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Bank of America app. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Bank of America. After app appears, if you found the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Make sure you have logged into your account. Now, look for the bell icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap it, and this will take you to your notification or alerts page. You will see two tabs there, History and Settings. To manage your notification, go ahead and click on Settings tab. Here, where you can get specific, there are several categories like Security, Purchases, and Suspicious Activity. Simply tap on a category and you can toggle the notification for that. For example, under Security, you can choose to receive alerts for any purchases made with your credit card or any suspicious activity. As long as your phone allows notification from Bank of America, you'll get alerts based on your settings. And that's it. You are all set to get your Bank of America notifications. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching.